Are you looking for the best leg cast covers for individuals recovering from leg injuries or surgeries? Keeping casts or bandages dry during showers is critical to prevent complications. Leg cast covers offer a practical solution, providing waterproof protection while ensuring comfort and usability. In this review, we've tested and compared 5 popular leg cast covers from brands like List No. 1. Waterproof leg cast cover for shower. #5738. Watertight foot protector. The TKWC INC waterproof leg cast cover is a mid-range product designed for durability and everyday usability. Made from high-quality vinyl, it provides a secure, watertight seal to protect casts, bandages, or medical dressings during showers. The latex-free material is ideal for those with sensitivities, and its diaphragm design ensures a snug fit for most adult leg sizes. With a lifespan of 6 to 8 weeks, this reusable cover is a practical solution for extended recovery periods. In testing, the TKWC INC cover excelled in creating a reliable, waterproof barrier, even during extended showers. Its straightforward application process is user-friendly, and the material's flexibility ensures comfort without compromising the seal. However, the vinyl construction, while durable, may not feel as premium as TPU alternatives. This product is best suited for users seeking a balance of performance and affordability. List number 100% waterproof cast covers for shower leg. Tight seal, reusable adult, 2-pack, half-leg cast protectors, knee. The Mighty X waterproof cast cover is the most affordable option in this comparison, offering 2 covers for just $9.99. Despite its budget-friendly price, it delivers reliable waterproof performance and a secure fit. The lightweight design minimizes discomfort, and its elasticity ensures a snug seal without the need for additional fasteners. This product is a great choice for short-term use or for those on a tight budget. During testing, the Mighty X cover performed well in preventing water intrusion, provided the seal was applied correctly. Its lightweight construction is a standout feature, but the material's durability may not match higher-priced competitors, making it less ideal for extended use. The inclusion of 2 covers adds convenience, ensuring a backup is always available. List 3. 100% waterproof leg cast cover for showering. The Tide Shake waterproof leg cast cover offers a budget-friendly alternative with a focus on environmental sustainability. Made from high-quality PVC, polypropylene, and rubber, it is reusable and designed for durability. The silicone interface provides a snug fit, ensuring reliable waterproofing during showers. Its lightweight and odorless design enhances user comfort. In our tests, the Tide Shake cover provided effective waterproofing, but its material felt slightly less robust compared to premium options. The silicone interface is a highlight, offering an easy and secure application. However, users may need to ensure they eliminate trapped air for optimal performance. This cover is best for eco-conscious users seeking a cost-effective solution. List number. Cast covers for shower leg. The CIV Jet waterproof cast cover stands out for its premium polyurethane TPU construction, offering exceptional durability and resistance to wear and tear. With a 10-inch diameter entrance, it accommodates a variety of leg sizes while maintaining a secure, watertight seal. This eco-friendly, reusable cover is designed for users seeking long-term reliability. Our testing revealed that the CIV Jet cover provides superior waterproofing and a comfortable fit. The TPU material feels premium and durable, making it an excellent choice for extended recovery periods. However, the higher price point of $17.95 may deter budget-conscious buyers. It's ideal for users who prioritize durability and performance. List 5. BOO 2-Pieces leg cast cover. The BOO leg cast cover is a premium option designed for comfort and style. Made from soft polyester fabric, it is stretchy, breathable, and comfortable to wear. Unlike other products in this comparison, it is not waterproof, but serves as a protective sleeve to keep casts clean and reduce wear. The inclusion of a zipper and elastic top enhances usability. While the BOO cover lacks waterproof functionality, it excels in keeping casts clean and minimizing snags on clothing or furniture. Its stylish design and comfortable fit make it a great choice for indoor use. However, at $20.99, its lack of waterproofing may be a drawback for those seeking all-around protection.